casa. How you doing?
Good, good. Thank you for having me.
We're not gonna front. So what had happened was, I don't like lying or misleading people. We had recorded this episode before, but we had technical difficulties. So I appreciate it very much for
Yeah.
being here.
Appreciate you having me, not just telling me, like, all right, we're just going to go to the next
But,
one.
but you know, it's at least it's good practice for you to be
Yes.
more comfortable with the lights and
Yeah.
camera because you are gonna be an actor eventually.
Yes,
So
for sure.
you're gonna have to get used to this.
Yeah.
So you're welcome.
Yeah.
We're training you
Appreciate it,
well.
man. Thank you.